Hello everyone! Welcome back to My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. My dear friends, today I'm gonna share with you another special recipe which you will greatly love and enjoy. It is best prepared during extraordinary occasions such as Christmas and New Year Eves, and may also be served on other special celebrations such as weddings and birthday parties. The secret recipe is the road to a crispy, savory, and a flavorful lechon pork belly roll. So, what are you all waiting for? Join me and let's start! We will be needing 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms of pork belly slab, 3 stalks of scallions or spring onions, 7 stalks of lemongrass pounded, 1 tablespoon table salt, 1.5 tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic flakes, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. For steaming, we will be needing 3 pints of 1.5 liters distilled water, 2 tablespoons star anise, 10 pieces bay leaves, 1 large bulb red onion chopped, and kitchen or butcher's twine for tying when rolling later on. Now let's start with the procedure. Pat dry the pork belly slab with a kitchen towel to absorb any excess water. Do this on both sides. Now, make diagonal cuts on the meat side until you form diamond shapes. Again, get a kitchen towel and absorb any excess water. Now, rub salt, ground pepper, and garlic powder on both sides of the slab. Cut off the bottom tip part of each of the stalks of the lemongrass and start pounding each of these. Doing this will bring out a savory and flavorful lechon pork belly roll that penetrates to the skin. Sprinkle garlic flakes on the meat side, then horizontally line toward the center the scallions or spring onions and pounded lemongrass. Roll the meat slab, then tie with a kitchen or butcher's twine. Once completely tied, set aside. Then, cover it with an aluminum foil and chill it for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. In a roasting pan, pour in water and add chopped onions, bay leaves, and star anise. Then set aside. Slightly mix before putting in the roasting tray. Take out from the fridge the chilled pork belly and coat it with soy sauce using a roasting brush. Place it on the roasting pan and cover it fully with aluminum foil. Steam this for 1.5 hours at a preheated oven of 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. After steaming for 1.5 hours, coat it once more with soy sauce and completely roast it for 2 hours with the same temperature, this time without aluminum foil. After 2 hours, increase the temperature to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and roast for another 20 minutes for a crispy and savory lechon pork belly roll. Finally, your pork lechon belly roll is ready. Once again, this is a great recipe for Christmas and New Year Eves and other special celebrations. Carefully untie the roll, then slice it according to your desired thickness. Serve it with your preferred sauce. Enjoy!